How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar, really understanding, what we're looking at, and of course, what we could be expecting as we are going further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So, looking across the board, Sunday closed off on a really positive note. If you watch all my updates, I'm sure you guys are aware of that. Market is looking amazing right now. As you can see across, the screen, we are seeing tremendous amount of green for pretty much everything at this point. Hbar up 4.2% right now, with the price currently sitting at 15.95 cents. So if you were to round it up, almost 16 cents. Also up 3.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, 6.75 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 155.4 million. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys know we always start off with the dominance index, and I want you guys to focus on the dominance on the daily time frame. You can see this for yourself. Dominance did pull down since our last update, and we are being supported by our previous yearly high, which was set for us back in May. And this level has been coming as a support for us several different times. But what really becomes exciting is once you drop below that, and we have yet to see the dominance dropping below this range. If it's able to drop below this specific range over here, that could make us actually let's pull out the whole dominance here so we can take a closer look and see what is happening. So if we drop below this, could we fall down to the likes of 64.34%, potentially even going down to the likes of 63.82%? The chances of that happening is quite high because, of course, a lot of people are anticipating that, we do see an altcoin season occurring, and you really want to see dominance showing, weakness. But right now, what it's pretty much happening is that, Bitcoin is on the neckline of breaking towards a new all-time high, and organically speaking, when Bitcoin does hit an all-time high, you do tend to see more money shift into BTC. So I personally think, we could see actually dominance going up even higher. So because of the fact that, Bitcoin is pretty much on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high and an all-time high. But if you're looking at Hbar right now, let's give it a refresh live and see what we're looking at as far as Hbar is concerned. So, Hbar has been able to close its daily candle, above this key range 2 times in a row, which is beautiful to see. Of course, we actually came up to the 16.2 cents, a level we spoke to you guys about yesterday. That level was retested yet again. Obviously, at this point, I'm sure you guys are aware that, this is a resistance for us, because pretty much after breaking out of this range, I am targeting the 18.1 cents mark, which again itself is a move of about 13.9%, which again is quite an impressive move. But right now you want to see this thing breaking out. This is not a small resistance. Obviously, the 24-hour trading volume plays a huge role into this, but pay very close attention to Bitcoin dominance right now, guys. If dominance breaks below the 65.09%, I'm personally projecting altcoins to actually see a nice shift, especially if Bitcoin ranges even here. Bitcoin doesn't even need to explode. That's how important it is. Even if Bitcoin ranges sideways here for the next 1 or 2 weeks, but dominance breaks below this range, I am expecting altcoins to see a push, and I'm strongly believing that we could see a retest even into the 61.8 sooner than a lot of people expect. But do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. A lot of people have already forgotten we were literally back in April at the 12.4 cents, which we retested just a week and a half ago, and look what happened. We did retest the 61.8, and then that was a rejection. This time around, we don't want to see that rejection. We want to see that breakout into the 0.50 and start heading up to the higher time frames. So do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.